And you can see these crowns. You can get in this silver, rose gold, two colors they are, but the stone will be only white. You can see this. These are all crowns. This is rose gold color. You can get this type also crown. Hairband plus crown. And you can get in these golden hairbands. You can get all models. These are all ranges. These are all designs. All range of rubber band, hair bands. You can see all flower type. This is all range of hair bands. And you can see U-pins. These are fancy U-pins. As you can wear in the jada, koppo, you can wear in the hairs. These are all colors, pink, white, yellow. These are all regular colors. You can get multi also in this. Light pink, rose color. And you can get like this also, flowers. Natural flowers. It looks like a natural type. This is our golden. You can see this. It looks like natural type. After wearing, nobody can knows that this is a artificial flower. It looks like same natural type. You can see this. And these are all rubber bands. This is a locket and you can get rubber band. There are so many models in this. Butterfly, tie model. This is a butterfly. Star. Stars. Heart shape. You can see these are all rubber bands. Stone line rubber band. In this you can get dark color, light color, English colors. And these are all fancy rubber bands. Fancy. And these are also fancy rubber band, which you can see the colors, light, dark, shades, prints, white and black. These are all prints. These are all daily use rubber bands. Daily use rubber bands. This is all range you can get in low prices. In this there are printed also. Black, as usual, black will be more for use. These are all center clips. You can see the models. There are so many ranges of clips. Small, medium, big. All you can see, these are all printed round. There are so many varieties which I can't show. That's why I am sliding the door and showing you like this. These are all fancy. You can see. The kitchens also. There are kitchens. These are all center clips. Stone center clips. They are very less prices of. You can see this all. These are all under 100, 120, 150. And these are apple shape. You can say this. There is lot of range in the clips also. These are also same clips. These are also clips. Once you reach to the beauty jewelers, I'll give you link in the description. You can go and check out, and I'll upload the navigation direction also of this shop. You can come and purchase anything. These are all Champasaral. You can see the models. There are a lot of range in the Champasaral. There are a lot of range. You can see. These are all CZ item. CZ Champasaral. It looks like gold, but it is not a gold. But the finishing is like a gold. You can see Bahubali Champasaral. In this you can get colors. Pink as normal, like a sari colors like this. Jhumka with Champasaral. You can get. This is Lakshmi Devi coins. You can see this. You can see dance item. These are all Bharatanatyam dance. Martil Champasaral. These are all Champasaral and Martil. State Martil, Chau Suttu means in Telugu they say. And you can see martil. These are all martil, daily use for. You can daily use. Nothing will happen while daily using. These are mang tika, flower mang tika, which flower jewelry also you can get in this. I'll show in next video. You can see the flower tikas. And this is stick, Juda stick. You can see this. You can wear it like this. These are all Juda sticks. And this is tiara. You can see this, how she has wear. You can wear upwards, downwards, or else side. You can wear. It can be mold. However you want, it will mold. It is stretchable all. You can get in this multi red in flowers. And you can get this also, puffs for koppu. This is half bun. Half bun if you want. This is medium size, big size. In this there are 3 sizes. You can see all. It is bigger, small, medium. This is all range of puffs. And you can see Jada Kuchulu. For the Bharatanatyam dance, or else party wear, functions, events, birthday parties, you can wear. These are all Jada Billalu. You can see the designs. And for kids, and you can get the veni also, flower veni. For the Bharatanatyam dances, you can get this type of koppu. These are also same, half bun. This is a full bun, round like a circle. It is a full bun. It is a half bun. These are all full buns, half buns for the Bharatanatyam dance. Orange color and white color, which may be used more for the Bharatanatyam dance. And you can see this is a bridal set for the less pricing. And you can see these all chains, which they are less in the price, which you can get in the dozens of pieces. You have to take the whole packet. There are 12 pieces. They are all around 10-20 rupees. You can see the silver chains, this type of chains. This is a 2-in-1. You can use as a necklace also plus vest chain. You can get in these colors. This is a white color stone, and it is a pearl, and it is color pearl, and you can get pink LCD stone, pink pearl, like this you can get. These are all tikas for the Bharatanatyam set. You can get headset, Chandrudu, Suryudu, and hand belt. You can see this all jhumkis. These are all tikas. It is Chandrudu, Suryudu separate. This is all Ragdi they call. You can see this all, and you can see these all chains, which they are less in the price, which you can get in the dozens of pieces. You have to take the whole packet. There are 12 pieces. They are all around 10-20 rupees. You can see the silver chains, this type of chains. This is a 2-in-1. You can use as a necklace also plus vest chain. You can get in these colors. This is a white color stone and it is a pearl and is it color pearl, and you can get pink LCD stone, pink pearl, like this you can get. These are all tikas for the Bharatanatyam set. You can get headset, Chandrudu, Suryudu, and hand belt. You can see this all jhumkis. These are all tikas. It is Chandrudu, Suryudu separate. This is all Ragdi they call. You can see this all.